Hi guys, welcome to our channel today. I'm sure you've seen this Ram 1500. So a couple months back we did coat this with our premium glass coating. Now it's time for some modifications done to it, particularly an exhaust system, some roof lights, Whelen blinkers and Whelen speakers as well. And we also installed the DDPAI dash camera so that we've got safety covered, we've got a microphone, and we've got a nice exhaust sound system. So I'll briefly demo the roof lights, which are solar powered, so you don't have to wire them in. They actually just stick on using adhesive or some silicone, and they're available in clear, amber, or smoke. So I'll show you a brief demo. We turn the lights off, we turn it on, we can turn the sequence as well. So you can choose between 1, 3, or in this case 5 lights. Under the hood we'll be installing a pair of Whelen speakers, including some Whelen controllers as well. So this gives you the ability to put a siren on, talk to the people outside without having to get out of your vehicle if you're in the province or if you have to talk to do something. And we also have a DDPAI X2S Pro dash camera. This is a forward and back camera which covers the front and the back of the car for added security during these times that you're driving. And we also have a Borla ATAK exhaust system. We do have a sound clip difference from stop to the end, so stay tuned for that. And this is a build that we've been excited to show you guys, so I hope you stay tuned for more.